Welcome to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for all the coffee lovers out there. We will be reviewing the top 5 best coffee makers of 2024. These machines are not just about brewing coffee, they are about creating an experience. From the aroma of freshly ground beans to the perfect temperature for your brew, these coffee makers have it all. So, if you're looking to upgrade your morning routine or simply want to know what's brewing in the coffee world, this video is a must-watch. Stay tuned till the end as we reveal our top pick that might just surprise you. Now, let's dive into the world of coffee makers. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned. And if you enjoy our content, hit the subscribe button to never miss an update from us. Let's get started. Number 5. The Illy Easy Coffee Machine. Number 4. The Gaggia Magenta Prestige. Number 3. The Cuisinart 14-cup Programmable Coffee Maker. Number 2. The Mr. Coffee 5-cup Coffee Maker, 25-ounce Mini Brew. Number 1. The Nespresso Vertuo.